Hello, fellow translators. This is pre-recorded because over the holidays I am out doing holiday stuff, just to let you know. But this is past Robert talking to you, and I just wanted to send a quick video to let you know about this. I don't think I've talked about it in any of my videos, although I have had it on my company page. But my company right now, and or has been doing it, it offers 15% commission on qualified leads. And obviously this is targeted more towards other companies, other agencies, stuff like that. But for any of you, I thought I should bring it up. If you do hear about translations that need to be done in languages that you can't handle yourself, and if you send it our way, we send you 15% commission on any qualified leads. What does that mean? That any job that works out, we send you 15% commission. This commission lasts for the year. So if it's a repeat job that lasts the whole year, then you get paid for the whole year for forwarding us that email. And again, obviously we manage the entire project. You don't have to be involved in any of it after referring it to us. All you need to do is refer it to us our way. And yeah, I don't think I've mentioned it here on this channel yet, so I thought I would. Anyway, if it helps any of you out, feel free to let us know, and we can help each other out. Otherwise, I'll talk to you after the holidays. Savidum!